Kawadhi nyime ni kanisa okwayo jatend piny mondo dogi ong'i kendo chik mar omenda mondo mi jopiny fuong'ruok ewi nengo ngima masani oidho malo mokalo. Owacho ni osuru momedi e mwandu biro hinyo kata chiwo jopiny e kanisa mabende biro mono kanisa bende chwalo dongruok mage. Archbishop maduong' mar kopere Nairobi Philip Anyolo dwaro sirkal mondo los gi jopiny ewi osuru mar omenda kendo yud kaka gidonjore kata gidongre kanyakla maonge ng'ama hinyore. Wach manosir kod patron mar kanisa no Thomas Kimari moseyo medo osuru ne mkate gino ma Kenya duto tiyogo.
Nyumba ianze kujengwa kesho.
We are seeing that the prices of the common items like bread and other common facilities which are used by the normal mwananchi are set to rise in this financial bill. I wish to reiterate the fact that Kenyans, we are already overburdened by the many the bills and taxes that we are grappling with. Overburdening the normal mwananchi by increasing the rate and the price of bread actually is something else which will actually devastate the normal mwananchi.
We want to encourage that as we are doing this, we work hand in hand even with our governments so that we are alleviating the situation of our suffering people instead of having to make them pay more and more to enable them to contribute towards the building of the nation by reducing their taxes and helping them to have what they can have as possible so that we grow as human persons. Taxes are going very high, and it is not the first time we are talking about it. We have asked again and again that the government should look into other ways to subsidize the taxes so that people will also contribute towards the building of a nation, because once the taxes are very high, people will have nothing even to contribute towards the building of a nation.
Chenro mar puonjo jopuonjre yore manyasani kokale chenro mar Tech Kids omaki wakaro chake skunde